This is Clay with Clay's How To Video. Nothing, what are you doing? Nothing, what are you doing? Nothing, what are you doing? Oh, you need some help? Oh, really? Oh, yeah? You need to know how to tear down a house? You called the man for the job. As always, bringing you the best in how-to goodness. I'm gonna show you how to tear a house down. For this job, I'm gonna need Uncle Becker. What's up, Uncle Becker? Been a while. The first thing you need is a house. The next thing you're gonna need is a really big tractor. You've seen people tear houses down before, but you've never seen the Clay's How-To Video way. It's kind of redneckish. Maybe the redneck way to demo a house? I don't know. All right, folks, let's get started. Whenever we're tearing down a house and we're doing it the Clay's How-To Video way, we don't mess around. We might even drop a tree on this thing. It's go time. Folks, don't try this at home. I know several people that know people that do this all the time. Okay, so that didn't work out too good. Maybe we can get the next tree on the house. This right here is what we call a redneck wrecking ball. Looks very dangerous to me. Said whenever you're tearing a house down, you gotta have a little bit of fun. Folks, as always, here at Clay's How-To Video, we try to keep the excitement to a bare minimum. Big thanks to Kepper Rental here in West Monroe and Progressive Waste Solutions. That right there, folks, is how you tear down a house. Don't forget what Mama always said, keep your priorities in line and just go get it. Don't forget to share these videos. Now, well, if you excuse me, I'm gonna get back to work. Thank you for watching.